Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Amy and this is my sister-in-law Erin.
Hello.
And today we are going to be making DIY sugar wax for hair removal. And it's going to be amazing.
Yeah.
And we're actually going to be making it in the microwave.
Yep.
And you only need 3 ingredients. Have you ever noticed that most of our DIYs only have 2 or 3 ingredients?
Yeah, it's really easy.
Yeah, it's super easy. And the one thing that her fiance, what he doesn't know, is he is going to be her victim. He doesn't know yet.
Because we have no hair. So he's got to do it.
Yeah. I hope you heard that. He's right over there, so we had to be quiet saying that. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, let's get started, shall we?
Yep.
All right.
So first we need 1 cup of sugar. And also you can make it on the stove if you wish, but it's faster in the microwave. So.
And what you do is you put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, but you're gonna stop and stir it for 20 seconds. Or not stop and stir it for 20 seconds. You're gonna stop it in 20-second intervals to stir it. And I guess it really depends on what kind of consistency you want your wax. So if you want to, you can have a thinner wax and then you can lay down a strip, like a cloth strip, and then like wax it off. If you want a thicker wax, like what we're gonna do, you'll want it so that you can actually use your fingers and like pull it off.
Yeah.
Then you'll leave it in for longer.
So, 1/4 cup of honey.
And she's just using a 1/2 cup measuring cup because her daughter lost some of her other ones.
It's a true story.
So we just, we improvise.
Yep, we do what we gotta do. Okay,
Yep.
That's good.
Yep.
It looks really cool when you pour it over the sugar.
Yeah, I wonder if you can really see it.
Want to see it?
Suppose I can just hold it like this until the honey rolls out of the bowl.
Okay, then we need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and you can use a fresh squeezed lemon, but we're
too lazy.
Yeah.
We don't discriminate here.
Oh. The last time we tried to make this, it went in my eye.
It did.
And then the video didn't work, so.
Yep.
Okay. So that's all that we need in there.
Yep, and then we're just gonna stir this to get it all mixed together. This is always the awkward part, is the silence.
Yeah, it's fine though.
Yeah.
It looks later than the other one did. Maybe not, maybe not.
Maybe it's just not mixed in a way. Oh, you know what? Because last time we scooped the rest of the honey out. Look at all that honey, the rest of that honey. That's why. Erin is slacking on me again.
I know.
See, look at that.
There we go.
How much that extra honey really.
That is better.
That is better.
Better.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this in the microwave, and we're just gonna stop the recording and we'll meet you back at the microwave. All right, so now we have it in the microwave and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cook it for 2 minutes. And we're just gonna stir it every 20 seconds. All right, so we just stopped it at our first 20 seconds and Erin's gonna go ahead and she's gonna stir it. And you can see right now the sugar is already starting to melt a little bit. It's still that nice honey color. It's getting more thin though. All right. All right, so now we've gone 40 seconds and now it's really liquidy. It actually kind of looks like melted butter.
Yeah, it does.
All right. still really, really runny. All right, well, we're just gonna come back to you when it's all said and done. All right, I want this focus. All right, let's see it. But anyways, this is the consistency of it right when it comes out of the microwave. Obviously, it's super thin right now because it's so hot. So yeah, we will come back when it's nice and cool and we will show you how it works. Hi everyone and welcome back. All right, we got our wax done and it did actually take longer than the 2 minutes. It took probably more around 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes to make. But this is now the consistency of our wax. And we got our lucky victim, as we would like to call him, Mike, Erin's fiance. And we are going to be waxing his shoulder. So we got his good old shoulder here. You can tell I've never done this before. All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right. We're just kind of lathering it on and then we're gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh. All right, and then you see the wax there. I don't know, it's kind of hard to.
Ew, look at the hair.
Wow, that was not bad at all.
See,
No.
It wasn't bad at all. And you can see the hair.
Sick. Look at all that nastiness. You gotta do the other side now. I gotta even it up.
Well, it's not even
Not
done. Can you spread it on when it's like liquidier and then let it dry and then peel it off?
Do you want to burn me?
That's not bad.
And then of course, like you can see it's coming off of my hands now because there's a lot of air in this now. And it's actually, because it's getting colder. I'm actually gonna take a little bit less this time. I see her.
Yeah.
All right.
But I like that.
All right, you ready? And this doesn't stick to, this won't stick to his skin. It just sticks right to the hair.
Oh wow, that looked good.
So yeah, it works really good.
Yep, I can see all the
Should have
hair.
got a close up of the shoulder and then the before
Right.
and after of the shoulder.
Well, but it doesn't hurt, does it?
No. No, it doesn't.
Remember when
at
Erin
all.
waxed you with
Right
those?
here.
Yeah, she did a strip one and I wanted to cry.
Mom, you should do it right here.
Nah.
Right where it hurts.
Well, you do the other one.
How
That's
about
fine.
your chest? Can we do a mana lantern on you?
No.
Ooh, mana lantern.
Yeah, mana lantern.
All right, now we're gonna do his other shoulder. We had a little mishap here.
Big girls fell off the chair.
But yeah, you can see the hair in there. It's kind of, I need it to focus. Let me see it. It won't focus.
They're kind of, maybe not.
Focus. Well,
Do you want me
anyways.
to put my shoulder up to it?
Well,
Honey, we should do your back.
You should do your back.
Look at all that garbage.
but yeah, I mean, it's really awesome.
Yeah, that stuff's awesome. It works really good.
Works really good.
It's virtually painless.
And the nice thing about it is that you can just keep reusing the same wax.
Right?
You just keep just kind of rolling the hair into this wax and
For all you hairy fellas out there,
yeah.
this is legit.
See? And we didn't pay him to do this.
It's true, yeah, no, I'm,
We just told him he was gonna do it.
yeah. I thought it was stuff we ate right away. I didn't know it was gonna be.
You thought it was gonna be a food thing. I mean, I don't know if it's so much fun for you. I mean, you don't seem to be
I'm
eating.
totally fine with this. Keep going.
See, he's not caring.
Nope. Hey, where's our Erin? What's up, babe? You coming? You want to get in on this? No, because it doesn't hurt.
No, I don't have any.
What?
Here.
No, I was talking
So,
about you do me. If it was a strip one, you'd want to do it though.
No.
She'd want to do it if it inflicted pain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, I don't know, Erin, do you want to try it on him, or? No?
She was using just little strips. You don't need to do the whole soldier. And
I want to do like your whole arm right here.
go ahead. Go ahead.
All right.
I got 2 arms.
Can I just spoon it on?
Yeah, just spoon
If
it
you
on.
really want to.
Hold on, no.
is that funny?
I gotta turn the camera. All right, Erin's gonna.
What?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. See? That's how you really get in there. She wants to.
And then you gotta go against the grain, so you gotta do it from the bottom up.
So we just let that sit?
You can, I suppose. It's not really gonna do anything.
It's not gonna.
Not gonna harden. That's gonna hurt him.
Does that one hurt?
Yeah, you're gonna want to just grab, like, take your finger. That's gonna hurt. You just take your finger and then just grab it like this and then pull.
Oh, there's just so much on there, honey. This was.
Yeah, Erin.